What up everyone, this is LeetCode 217, contains duplicate. So we're given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array. Return false if every element is distinct. So really, right, we're checking, okay, is every value distinct or not? What is the easiest way to check if every value is distinct? Well, probably a hash set, right? So to me that's kind of that approach is very glaring and very obvious to me. If it's not glaring and obvious to you, all it means is you need more practice, right? But because we're trying to see if the values are distinct, a hash set is what we need, okay? Now that should be obvious to you if you have some level of practice with LeetCode. If it's not obvious to you, you probably don't have a lot of practice. You're probably new to LeetCoding, which is okay, right? You just need more practice. And you will eventually reach a point where things like this are obvious to you, so don't feel bad if it's not obvious to you now. I promise you, you will reach a point where approaches to a problem like this is very obvious, okay? Just gotta keep practicing. So we're gonna create a hash set, right? And we're gonna iterate through these numbers. So we're gonna say for num in nums. If num in the hash set, then we can just return true, right? Because it's the second time we're encountering it. Otherwise, we're just going to do hash set dot add num. Okay. Now, if we exit this for loop without returning true, that means all the numbers are distinct, so we can return false. Okay. So yeah, that's how we make sure. That's how we check to make sure that all the numbers are distinct, right? If we encounter a number for the second time, meaning we're adding the numbers to the hash set. If we encounter a number that's already in the hash set, that means we're encountering that specific number, a second time. Thus, we return true because the value appears at least twice. Okay? So again, hash set approach for this problem, super easy, right? Very simple. If it's not easy or simple or obvious to you that you should be using a hash set, again, all that means is that you require a little bit more practice, so just keep LeetCoding. I promise it will get easier, and you will eventually reach a point where things like this are obvious to you if this particular solution was not obvious to you. But yeah, just keep practicing, guys. It will get easier, and I'll see you in the next one.